To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past.
Hey everyone, it's Chad. I'm currently at the Polynesian. I'm going to be checking out in a couple hours. I was staying here for 2 nights through my vacation, and I figured I would give you guys a little tour of the actual room. So here's the door to the room. Comes with your pretty basic evacuation route that every single room at a Disney hotel has. On the right we have our first light switch. This light switch controls the lights in your storage area. So you've got 2 of these. The one has a little shelf up on top, a bunch of hangers. But yeah, that's where the light goes for that first light. And then you move over a little bit, you've got your coffee maker, 2 coffee mugs, 4 glasses, your ice holder. Underneath that is your mini fridge. And then you've also got some styrofoam cups for coffee and tea. You've got coffee and tea, and then another little slide out thing that's empty. Moving right along, we've got another storage area. This one has extra blankets, your ironing board, also your safe, and a couple little shelves. Also, this lights up with that first light switch. Now, here are your second set of light switches. These ones take care of the wall outlets, so you got some lamps plugged in. You walk in, on your right you have a lamp with a desk and a chair. The desk also has a little pull-out desk that you can roll anywhere in the room, and it's got a cool little hidden Mickey in the middle of the turtle shell there. You also have a mirror. There's a bunch of outlets in this, regular outlets and then USB outlets. Right beside that you have a nice dresser with 6 drawers. You've got more outlets underneath on the left and on the right. Got a really nice big screen TV. Besides that, you have a couch that also pulls out into a bed for some extra people you have in your room. There's a mirror right above that. Hello. There's light that you turn on at the bottom there. Here's the balcony. I'm on the 3rd floor of the Tuvalu building, I believe it's pronounced. I have a theme park view, so I can see the Space Mountain over there. Then we've got Cinderella Castle, and then if you look closely, there's a peak from Big Thunder Mountain. I can also have a really nice view of the Grand Floridian. I'm right beside the docks where you can rent boats and where you can take the boat over to the Magic Kingdom. And you can also see some of the waterfront bungalows. If you're staying at the Polynesian, I would really recommend a theme park view. It's just a beautiful view, and you can see the fireworks from your room and the water pageant parade that happens after the fireworks. It also just looks so nice in the morning when the sun's rising over Magic Kingdom. And at night, where you see both the castle and Space Mountain lit up. I spent a lot of time on this balcony just looking over at Magic Kingdom. Over on the left-hand side, we have a chair, a lamp right behind that, and a table. Then we have the 2 beds with the nice backboards and 2 lights, 1 on each side. Same with this bed, 2 on each side. Have a little bedside table and a really nice painting of Hawaii. It's actually got a couple hidden Mickeys in it. I don't know if you can see any, but there's one right here in the sand. And then if you look up on the mountain here, there's one right there. Now lastly, walking back towards the door, on your right we have the washroom. You've got his and her sinks, light up mirror, a mirror on the wall, and then just a regular mirror. You've got your toilet and your shower. Shower bath combo. Not gonna lie, the shower head here really sucks. I don't know if it's just my room or if it's all the rooms, but yeah, not a fan of that. So that's pretty much it. That was my room tour at the Polynesian Village with the theme park view. I'd really recommend staying here. It's probably been the best time I've ever spent at a hotel. Like, I really didn't even want to go to the theme parks. Just staying here was fun fun enough. Like, just, I could sit all day just on that balcony looking at the Magic Kingdom and be happy. The pool's amazing. The food here is amazing. You got Trader Sam's, Captain Cook's, Kona Cafe, and Ohana. I had the room service for Ohana, and that was amazing. If you have 2 people or more, 2 or 3 people, I'd recommend only getting 1 serving from Ohana if you get the room service, because that's a lot of food. It took me 3 separate sittings to eat it all. It was delicious, but there was just so much. And I don't even think I finished the salad. I had to like throw out some of that. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. So that's it, and I'll see you real soon.